Today we are going back in time. To 80s. There is no other point in this video than the funny experiment, but there is a point in subscribing and hitting the like button. Also joining my Discord channel and leaving a comment down below. Anyway, I've heard some rumors about map and timeline change in Call of Duty Warzone. This actually created a vision in my head. What if Warzone was released in 1980s? I was looking for some appropriate plugins and synths to go back in time, and as I found lots of free stuff, I thought that I should share this with you. So we are getting back to those old consoles, computers and very simple sounds with those free plugins by SocaLabs. First one, SFX8, which is based on SFXR and looks like an MPC with 16 pads and 32 parameters to control. Second one is SN76489. Classic programmable sound generator made by Texas Instruments, locked in a plugin. Both are free, so if you're working on some indie or retro title, you may find them useful with game sound design. And SocaLabs have few more on their website to download. Now it's time for a brief history of sound in games. There was a chip and it was able to play 3, 5 or later 9 voices with square, triangle, saw wave, noise and samples. Enough. There is a guy called the 8-bit guy, the link to his channel is in the description. So what was my idea and workflow? If you want to imitate old games sounds, you must consider all of the limitations. I wasn't trying to make it NES-like or Sega-like or any other. I just wanted to recreate this old school mood. So besides using those fancy plugins, I've decided to play as few sounds as possible to tell the viewer what's going on the screen. I've listed them out, made as much tracks as needed, prepared synths and SFX pads and started playing with my MIDI keyboard. And here comes the biggest plot twist. The music here is made from Battlefield theme. Because 1. It's funny. 2. It's stupid. 3. Fits better with the mood. 4. No one expects Battlefield in Call of Duty.
Nobody expects the Spanish Inquisition!
Let's watch the whole clip. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed. Remember about all those YouTube stuff, and until next time.